Namaste parents and children. Today let us see in the customized material how to work with the trinomial square. In the last session we learned how to work with the binomial square. I have also said that the binomial square represents a plus b the whole square, the abstraction form. So this is also in the same way. This represents the abstract form of a plus b plus c the whole square. So what is the benefit of the child doing this is, one, the child will get enhanced with his analytical skills and logical skills, which is very important in decision making. That is why when in the foundation years, if the child is not given the proper foundation on these aspects, that is why their decision making things will be very haphazard. Yes, so by doing this and by giving lot of repetition with the sensorial materials, the child will have a better decision making in his future, right? So here we have one more challenge for the child, and where it becomes more tougher to do it, right? Parents, it is not only that, as I said you before, the trinomial square is the concrete representation of the algebraic formula, that is a plus b plus c the whole square. This equation will not be given to the child, but as and when the child practices, this goes into a child's memory and then slowly into the subconscious. As and when the child gets that into that stage, maybe when the child goes for 6th grade or 7th grade, since the child has worked with his hands on these materials, the association for algebraic expressions becomes more and more concrete and strong foundation in the child. Yes, now let's do how we can do the things. So the two types we have to do it. One is that you have to build in the same the figures here and with the material which we have already given, and one without the base you have to construct. Yes, now let us construct it with the use of the base. Yes, okay, right, let us see how to work with the trinomial square. First, using the base. Yes, let the child look around. Isn't it amazing? Yes, parents allow the child to observe whether it is come across or it has moved here and there out of the block which is be painted or something. Yes, it should be as perfect as that. So when you give this repetition to your child will have immense benefits. Yes, you are playing a very strong foundation for your child in maths and also in the algebra. Now your child has to do it without the base in the same formation. Yes, let's do that now. Yes, okay, we are constructing the trinomial square without the base. Yes, keep everything in the mixed up manner, the child let they observe the orientation and the child start constructing it. Yes? Okay. Amazing, parents. So ensure that, show that. Is it looking the same as here? Yes, it is the same as here. Let the child observe that. Yes. Okay. Yes. Namaste, parents and children. Please send all your videos and the photos once the child, you can see that success in your child's eyes once he completes the activity. Yes, please share all your videos and photos. Kindly please do share all these things, the link with your other parents who are doing the homeschooling as well, so they can order the material with Bells Montessori. Namaste. Kindly subscribe, view, share and like our videos of Montessori wisdom from Bells Montessori. Yes, Namaste.